Hi Madras Prof family, before we check out today's new products in the display, I would like you to check out the following video.
Here's the video of a honeybee theme using an arch door and without an arch door. There you see what difference a small door prop can bring to the whole composition.
So yes, here are the two new door props that we have created to give a complete look to your setups. One is this arch door, this comes with legs, and the other is a temple door, this also comes with the legs. So this can be used in your garden theme, honey theme and any summer theme. So this temple door has got beautiful embellishments, especially to give that grand ethnic look. You cannot miss these guys. So for more such interesting props, do check out Madras Prop Store or visit our website www.madrasprofstore.com. Happy shopping!